have a candidate for inclusion in our top seller category. And I'm talking about one of many wing cars on this complex grounds, John. It's a 1970 Plymouth Superbird, and the bidding currently at $130.
First one that we've seen. There's got to be a couple dozen of these.
I think you're right.
I haven't done the numbers, but boy, oh boy, do we have wing fever. It's an epidemic here. First one we've seen so far, 408 of the V-Code Superbirds were built with an automatic. Now, a V-Code means that it's got the 440 six-barrel engine. That's a 390 horsepower version of the 440, being fed by a trio of Holley two-barrel carbs. It's code EV2 TorRed. 1 year only. All had vinyl tops.
Would you take 150 in your pocket and walk out the door?
And I'll bet we've got one of every production color here at this auction.
You're probably right.
150 in your pocket. No take. Do it. Yeah. 150 in your pocket.
Oh my gosh. Reserve is off. 155 is the bid.
That fellow that just let the reserve go on it, and the crack of that gavel. 20 years of ownership just changed.
Wow, that is big. Huh?
Yep.